I'm Andrew Shedden, the owner of Broadfield Consulting. I help manufacturers attract and sell more ideal customers. A question that I'm frequently asked by my industrial marketing consulting and coaching clients is, how do I get better results from my direct mail? And the answer to that is to follow a very simple four-step process. The first step is this. You need to clean your list. Regardless of the source of your list, whether it's a house list, a list you purchase, or a list you rent, the data will be inaccurate. So you need to confirm the accuracy of the data prior to doing your mailing. You either can go online and do this, or you can actually call the individual companies if you feel so inclined. What you do need to know is if you call the individual companies to confirm the accuracy of the data, some of them will not give you any answers whatsoever due to privacy concerns. So watch for that. It could happen. So the second thing you need to do to improve your direct mail results is to power up your offer. So you basically have two offers available to you when using direct mail. The first offer is what's called a hard offer. A hard offer is something along the lines of call us for a free consultation or contact us for a free product demonstration. So hard offers generate the lowest number of leads, but they tend to be the highest quality or those of most interest. The second option you have is what's called a soft offer. And with a soft offer, what you're doing is you're offering educational information that helps to solve a prospect's problem. Examples of this could be a white paper, could be tip sheets, could be a video series, things of that nature. The third recommendation I have for you, if you want to dramatically increase the results you're getting from your direct mail, is to be sure you use a sales letter. Now, some people favor what are called self-mailers, and others favor postcards. I definitely favor using sales letters. And when you use a sales letter, you want to follow the classical and traditional formulas. So here's a couple you can consider. Number one is called AIDA, which stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. A second format that you can follow in your sales letters is called problem, agitation, solution. Both of these ways of composing sales letters, you can find out about both of them by going online. So look for AIDA, A-I-D-A, or problem, agitation, solution. The second thing is, when you're sending your mailing out, make sure that you don't use any kind of teaser copy or have logos or anything of that nature on your envelope. I favor sending out the return address only, not even with a company name, because the last thing you want is for your envelope to be screaming out that it is a promotional piece of mail. The other thing is, wherever possible, use live stamps instead of indicia. That will improve your results as well. And if it's a very small mailing, hand address the envelopes. And lastly, in terms of using sales letters, you want to have a sequence. Don't think that the one and done will work. People are really busy and it's very hard to communicate with them. And if you send out a single letter, they may not even see it for that matter. Think about what collection agencies do. A sequence of 2 or 3 or 4 letters. I recommend a 3-letter sequence and make sure that the first letter is referencing a second letter is coming and the second is referencing a third letter is coming. So let them build on one another. And then the last thing you need to do to improve your direct mail results is to make sure that you're following up by phone. Okay? This is something that's missed out an awful lot on mail. People send their mailings out and they wait for people to call them. If you want to dramatically increase the results from your direct mail, then follow up with phone calls. So you can call and ask something as simple as, did you receive the information? Do you have any questions? Things like that will work very well for you. The other thing you need to do is you need to split test your mailing. So if you do a 3-part mailing, try calling between the mailings for half your list, and for the other half of your list, try calling after you've done all 3 parts of the mailing. See what you have better results from, and test. The beauty of direct mail is it is very easy to test and determine what works the best for you. The other beauty of direct mail is that with so many people using email and online marketing, if you utilize direct mail in your manufacturing company, it'll stick out like a sore thumb. Thank you very much for watching, and may all success come your way.